9 destiny. Your extreme sensitivity makes you understand and respond easily to people, atmosphere, attitudes, music, sounds, colors, and personalities. This makes you very perceptive and actuates your interest in the meaning behind everything you come across, especially the so-called dark sciences, such as the occult. All things mystic appeal to you, and you feel the need to delve into these things to see for yourself just what they may hold for you. You are also quite psychic and a perfect candidate for ESP in all related subjects. Complete freedom to travel as you please through life is your great desire. To be shackled by possessions or wealth would only impede your progress, so you must learn when it is best to let go. This applies not only to material possessions, but to relationships as well. You may easily be involved in romantic situations that are sure to make you miserable. When this happens, avoid the desire to change to somehow please your partner. It would not help, and eventually the affair would deteriorate into much unhappiness for both of you. You must be yourself and have faith that you will find the happiness you seek. Do not conform to anything but that, and eventually you will find exactly what you want. Love is so important to you that you can love more than one person at a time or a group of people, thereby experiencing the great joy of this love in so many different areas. It will be wrong for you to pursue only one great romance in your entire life. Give in to the wonderful ecstasies and sadness. Take from them what you have learned and apply them to the next. Only then can you find complete contentment in a total relationship. Doing for others is one of your finest characteristics, and you derive extreme pleasure from knowing that you were able to help in some way or offer an opinion previously unexplored. You know that as you sow, so shall you reap, and when you least expect it, the fruits of your kindness will return in abundance. Your concern for and interest in others tends to unnerve you at times, causing you to either rise to the heights of ecstasy or sink into the depths of depression. Once you learn to control your emotions intelligently through the study of philosophy, metaphysics, and other spiritual interests, you will rise like a phoenix out of the ashes and take your place in the world as a truly enlightened person. No longer will you experience depression or terrible sadness over the way people walk all over you. You will understand the reason for everything that happens to you and anxiously await the next installment, knowing that things happen for the best. You will look eagerly for the lessons to be taught and always find them, to your great joy and happiness. Your marvelous generosity will manifest itself in the extension of these truths to all you can make them understand, in an effort to help all mankind. Feel the contentment and peace that you have been privileged to experience. You will always be in the public eye in one way or another, and your life will be full to the brim. The 9 destiny is the sum total of all other numbers. Therefore, it carries all the same attributes and negative attendants to each, making you supremely powerful in every way.